I'm Tech Sergeant Jeffrey Paulin. I work in 374C structure shop, and my role in radar operations today is the radar chief.
I'm A1C Cody Tipavong from the Dirt Boy shop at Yokota Air Base, 374th Civil Engineering Squadron, and my role today is to backfill the flowable fill into the craters we have.
Because we're actually doing everything that we would do in a real-world scenario. If we had any kind of crater from an attack that we need to repair to get the flight line back up and running, this is exactly what we would be doing. It's a lot smaller of a scale, but really what this is just one step, and we would just add this same process over and over. So this is hands-on training for what we would really be doing.
You do the FOD walk, and then you do the debris clearing. After that is the uphill markings, and then after that, the excavator comes in and scoops out the debris from the crater, and then we put the flowable fill into the craters. We cap it with rapid set concrete.
Biggest, most important thing with this training, the ability to work with others, know what's going on, and the willingness to participate and look forward into what's happening next. Those are super important for radar. Without everybody working as a team, everything would be super slow. The likelihood that we would get the mission done in a timely manner is way lower if we're not working as a team. Somebody might be cutting on a saw, or they may be filling a hole with concrete, and that's not their typical responsibilities in their job. So the ability to be versatile and be willing to do other people's kind of scope of work, I think would be the most critical skill somebody could have. Just nice to see and hear exactly how important what you're doing is, and it's definitely a motivator to learn this and get the skill as good as possible, so that way if anything does happen, we know we can deliver when it comes time to using it.
Well, every time we do this, we're trying to do it as quickly and efficient as possible. The important part is getting the aircrafts back into the sky so we can continue our mission.